Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come on and give you guys a tutorial for this really cute hairstyle that I did today. I thought it was super cute and I thought it would be so easy for anybody in their lock journey, whether they are in their beginning stages or they are in their mature stages, whether their hair is long, medium, short, whether their locks are thin or thick. I think this is a great hairstyle. Simple, you can still show off your length while keeping your hair out of your face. So yeah, I wanted to share this hairstyle with you guys. So if you are interested in how I achieved this look, stay tuned and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of the video. And y'all don't judge me on how I do my baby hairs, because I know I'm not the baby hair queen. I just do what works best for me, as you should too. So I will catch you guys next time.